here at Water Rigs. I'll show you the name at the end of the video when I pop out the other side. But surface line, paint stripping everywhere, complete pain in the butt. But I got it as clean as I possibly could. Does look a lot better. The whole this stuff does not want to come off. The whole was completely covered in small barnacle growth, along with 2 worms in some areas, mainly around the keel and the running gear. Let's go take a look. Good here at Water Rigs. Got her all cleaned up. Yes, Thank you very much.